Jai Hind students. This is my YouTube channel Chemistry by Sir Harish. If you want, then you can like, subscribe, and share it. Dear students, today we will discuss about the apparatus used in the chemistry lab. Apparatus used in the chemistry lab. That is, in chemistry laboratory, we are using some apparatus like test tube holder, test tube stand, ion stand, conical flask, beaker, round bottom flask, etc. we are using there. So what is the role of that in chemistry lab, and how we will identify that this is the particular apparatus? So today we will discuss about it here. This is my second video on this topic. Okay, so now we will discuss one by one. This is round bottom flask. What is round bottom flask, my dear? It is a flask with round shaped bottom. Means at the bottom side, firstly see the picture. Say this is the round bottom flask, my dear. You may see that bottom side. This is the shape. Okay, now come we will define it. It is a flask with a round shaped bottom, and it is used for gas preparation as heat is uniformly distributed throughout on heating. Because of this round shaped on bottom, whatever heat we will provide, that heat will be uniformly distributed throughout the solution on heating. Okay students, now please see once again, this is the picture of the round bottom flask only, and in chemistry lab it is available of the 500 ml, 1000 ml, and rarely you are getting in the chemistry lab of the 250 ml. Generally in lab you are getting 500 ml of the round bottom flask. Okay my dear. Now flat bottom flask. It is looking like the round bottom flask with little difference. What is the difference? See it. See the bottom side. Okay, there you got round side, but here flat you are getting bottom side. Okay, so now see flat bottom flask. It is a flask with flat bottom. It is used for the gas preparation where heating is not required and a uniform distribution of heat is also not required. Okay, means if there is no need of the heat, or if heat required also, then no need to provide the uniform heat, then we may use the flat bottom flask. Okay, so please see once again the picture. This is the flat bottom flask because its bottom side is totally flat like that. Okay my dear, like this. Now conical flask. Firstly see the picture of the conical flask. Okay, now we will define it. It features at flat bottom a conical body and a cylindrical neck. It is used for storage of the various liquids and for the mixing at the different solutions. Okay my dear, for the mixing of the different solutions we are using the conical flask. Not only for this purpose, in the higher classes you will learn about the titration. So during the titration we are using that conical flask. Okay my dear. Now in the chemistry lab generally it is available of the 500 ml, 500 ml, 100 ml and 250 ml. 1000 ml conical flask is also available, but actually this is no need of for the students. Students are generally using the 100 ml and 250 ml of the conical flask. Okay, now iron stand. For iron stand we are using to hold the anything. For the holding of the apparatus like suppose burette, thermometer, sometimes for the when we are doing the experiment to find out the temperature of the liquid, that time we are using the iron stand. We will see it consists of an iron platform with a iron rod and one or two clamps. Actually this clamps we are using to hold it, no? It is used for suspending and holding the apparatus. See, this is the iron stand, and whatever you want, suppose you want to hold anything, then you have to hold here. And in the chemistry laboratory generally we are using to using the iron stand for mainly for two purposes. In first case, suppose you are doing the titration, so for the titration you have to hold the burette. Burette is looking like this. This is the glass tube with less diameter. So actually in the burette you will see there burette is present in your syllabus, my dear. Like this it will be. Here marking is present for the 1 ml, 2 ml, means up to 50 ml we are using in the chemistry lab. So this one, this burette we are holding in the iron test tube, okay, to do the experiment. Understood? And suppose you want to find out the melting point of the liquid, then how you are holding that thermometer? Suppose this is the beaker, you have to this is the candle, and by use of tripod stand, you have kept that this is the wire gauge, and you are having here beaker. So in this beaker you have to add the thermometer. So this is the thermometer, suppose. So you have to hold that thermometer by use of the iron stand. Okay, my dear. Now tripod stand. Tripod. Tri means three. Tri means three. Tripod stand means which have three legs, suppose. Three stand. This is tripod stand, my dear. Okay, tri means 3, 1. This is 1, 2, 3. So tripod stand we are telling. For heating purpose we are using it mainly. Suppose you are having the beaker, just now I shown there, na? Suppose this is the candle. So by burning heat is coming from here, so you have to keep the wire gauge. After that you are keeping the beaker for the heating or conical flask. Tripod stand is made up of an iron triangle with 3 legs. It is used for keeping glass wire like beaker, flask, etc. Wire gauge sometimes for the heating purpose, for heating. Okay, now this is a tripod stand. Beaker, beak. This beaker word came from beak. Okay, what is the meaning of that beak here? See, this is beak, just like जो पक्षी की चोंच होती है, beak होती है, like that it is looking. That is why the name we have given for it is beaker. Okay, it is a glass container with flat bottom and pouring tip. It is used for mixing, pouring and heating solutions. Dear students, in the chemistry lab generally we are using the 100 ml of the beaker, 100 ml or 250 ml of the beaker. But we are getting 200 ml, 250 ml and 500 ml and 1000 ml of the beaker also. Generally in the chemistry laboratory we are getting these two, 100 ml and 250 ml. This 500 ml and 1000 ml teachers are using to prepare the solution. Teachers are using to prepare the solution. Now test tube. Test tube. Firstly see the picture. This is the test tube. Like this only. Tube is there, na? Tube. Okay. Now why test tube? Because we are using this tube for the experiment, for the test. Whatever experiment we are doing, we are doing in the most of the cases we are using the test tube. So it is a cylindrical glass tube closed at one end and it is used for carrying out the chemical test. Okay my dear, actually we are taking the chemicals in the test tube. After that we are doing the experiment. So that test tube is playing very important role in the laboratory. Now test tube holder. Test tube holder. Test tube holder means a holder which means a things which hold the test tube. It is the apparatus to hold the test tube during the experiment. Because we are using the chemicals, that is very dangerous for us. So to take the precautions, we are holding the test tube by a apparatus which is said to be the test tube holder. This is the test tube holder. Okay my dear. Say this it can move in both direction. If you want to hold it tightly the test tube, then you have to shift this one to the mouth of the test tube holder. Okay students, see it is a metal tube with the wooden handle. With a wooden handle. It is used for holding a test tube because the wooden holder, being a poor conductor of heat, makes holding the holder easy. Suppose you want to heat it better, then what you will do? This is your test tube and you have hold by like this. Now you may provide the heat to this test tube. By holding with the hand you can't provide the heat, otherwise you will it is dangerous for you, no? So we are using the test tube holder. And test tube holder, see this is made up by the wooden. Why? Because wooden is the bad conductor for heat and electricity both. But here we are not using electricity, we are using the heat. So we can tell that it is easy to hold it and we will not feel the heat by holding the wooden. Test tube stand. Now if you are using the test tube, then where will you keep it during the experiment? You have to keep it in the test tube stand. See this is the test tube stand my dear. This is the holes. If you want to keep your test tube with the full of the chemicals, then you have to keep like this. Okay. And what is the role of this? That vacant test tube you have to keep here like this. Okay. Now it is a wooden, it is a wooden or plastic stand with the holes at its upper part. Generally in the chemistry lab we are using the plastic stand. It is used for keeping the test tubes through the holes during the experiment. We are keeping the test tube in this hole during the experiment, my dear. Okay, like this. So this is the whole information about the apparatus which we are using in the chemistry lab. For the some more information you have to subscribe this channel, because whenever if you will subscribe, my dear, then whatever things I will upload here, you will get the notification and you can see from there. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a nice day.